Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple Canon photos in the RNI app just to see some difference and then choosing the different filter for the field. So this is the Canon 35mm F 1.4, so let's get started. And then I'm gonna use some of the different vintage color just to see, but this one is too bright. Let me reduce the strength and then the brightness slightly reduce, and then the highlight save. So I reduce a lot more of the highlight saves instead of the very bright color. So this is how you can update that, and then slightly increase that. Let me increase the sharpening also. And then the pre-warm, I'm gonna add a little bit more warm tone because it's the sunset hours. Just add a little bit of the warm tone there, and then I think that's it. And then let me go to the another picture. So I have another one that has a similar style. It's in the same location. You can get that, and then the brightness still a little bit more. And then I'm gonna crop it 4:5 this time. The previous one I already pre-cropped it on the MacBook Pro already. That's why I airdropped it to my phone. And then so you can do it this way. You can see that it's moody. Let me add more room to the right. Okay, so let's increase the contrast a little bit. So I'm gonna try another filter for this one. So I'm gonna go to the negative, and then we can try like different Fuji filter. This one is good too, like the green tone. I'm gonna use this one, normalize, and then increase a little bit of the top room right there. Okay, so and we can increase the tone of the frame by here, this one. So yeah, you can use the RNI to achieve the frame style feel in here. And let me use the Fuji edit. We can use this one or this V2 for this, and I'm gonna reduce a little bit more, increase the contrast. So the pre-warm, we can leave it or just leave a little bit of the pre-warm right there, and then the sharpening. So I have one more step, 4:5 crop on this one. Slightly position that. Okay, so let me save to the camera roll. The next, I'm gonna try out different film style. This one seems moodier, so it has a faded tone. I'm gonna reduce a lot more of the filter effect on this picture because it was too strong, and I'm gonna reduce some brightness. So that's the before and after. So this achieve the moodier tone. If you want to create a consistent feed that has more moody in general. So yep, so that's how you can quickly like for like 1.5 minutes for each picture, just for editing on the phone using the RNI. It's pretty quick, and then you can edit both like Canon or Sony photo, even like Fujifilm under the base of the classic Chrome. You can do that also. So yeah, this is just a quick video on that, and thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.